Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Ford F-150, stock number 17G1111A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side. You have 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Sunroof up top. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around the back end. Factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera on the back. Taking a look at the bed. You have a bed liner here as well as the cover on top. Keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside you have cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control as well as dual heated seats. Four-wheel drive and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.